Welcome to our gym. As a member, you'll have access to unlimited locations worldwide. Each is fully air-conditioned, open 24/7. We've got plenty of space for you and your friends, Stairmasters, and no shortage of showers. This place has it all. Dedicated trainers, people who won't sit still, and of course, sweat. Lots and lots of sweat. Welcome to Nature's Gym. Now accepting new members.